Hey guys, Sagittarius Maximus here with my sister, and we're gonna show you some Lego creations of Minecraft. So let's get started. Whoa, so close. Yeah, actually these are Lego creepers. So as you can see, they are made of two 1x2 flat pieces. Don't think I can get it out. Well, it's okay. Mine broke. Two 1x2 blocks, two 2x3 stacked on top of each other, and a jumper piece for the green between the yellow and white, a 2x2 yellow brick, what did I say, yellow, any color, and actually you're supposed to use a 2x2 flat tile piece, but my sister used 1x2 flat piece tile. So yeah. Okay. This is our Lego zombie. Mine and my sister's. As you can see, mine's a little bit taller, one block taller than hers. Go away, bro. I'm not sure if it's true, or I mean if it's ugly that mine is too tall. Is it? Just put it in a comment below. As you can see, for the leggings, I did light grey, and I put even a dark grey belt for the zombie. My zombie is the t-shirt is red and has white skin, and my sister is slightly smaller. As you can see the difference. Yeah. Okay. It's made of the same pieces, only mine has an extra 1x2 flat. As you can see, I don't know if I'm blocking your view. Okay. I responded. Back to the video. These are miniature creepers. They are made of two circular studs, a jumper piece, two 1x1 block, and what do you call that? 1x1 smooth tile flat. All you have to do is just make it like that. Okay, that's enough. So yeah, if that's about all, if you miss any of that, just put it in the comment. I can make another video. Yeah, I know that sounds crazy, but I'll do it for you. Yeah, I mean it. And if I at least get 3 subscribers, I'll teach you how to make it with separate pieces and a few other cool Lego creations. Like for example, my sister's Lego car that hasn't been completed. So yeah, if you like it, just just get 3 subscribers as a friends, family, or anything. So rate, comment, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever. So see you again. Once again, I'm Sagittarius Maximus, and peace out.